This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, possibly one of the cheapest trackers on the market, but arguably one of the best. At under $35, you literally won't get a better Google Fit companion, we're sure of it. So this is a pretty basic but impressive fitness band that looks simple but works exceptionally for that low entry price. The design is nothing spectacular, but the simple silicone band is comfortable for all day wear, and the removable bands allow you to swap out should you want something a little bit brighter, a little bit more your style. As for the display, it's a 0.7 inch OLED at 128 by 80 pixels and in monochrome, but that does mean it's visible in all lighting conditions and clearly legible. That said, in direct light it can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Even with such a small screen, there's no need to worry about missing information. Everything is well sized, easy to read, nice and clear. And whilst the touchscreen is basic, it responds well to taps and swipes, but there is a capacitive touch button that is used to launch into menu sections and, more importantly, workout tracking. Overall, this is a simple affair that doesn't feel cheap or lacking in features, even without a truly interactive touch display. As for features, it's fully waterproof up to 50 meters or 5 atmospheres, making it ideal for those that want to track their swims, for instance, whilst the silicone band means no soaking wet strap or potential weak links after being in the water for a long time. I personally find it incredibly comfortable for all day wear, which is possibly one of the most important aspects of the entire smartwatch or fitness tracker market. Comfort for me comes above a feature set, at least in my day-to-day experiences. It's not just during workouts that this is a great option. If worn while sleeping, it tracks your sleep patterns alongside any exercise to give you an accurate overview of your overall health. I personally really like the sleep tracking as I think it's pretty accurate. It even picks up points where you might wake up in the middle of the night, which is also a nice neat little addition. All of this can be managed within the accompanying Mi Fit application, which is a little bit more in depth than the Google Fit basic fitness management, although you can sync all of the data from Google Fit within Mi Fit itself. That said, you may need a third-party app to sync across heart rate data to Google Fit though. The entire menu structure is catered towards fitness, with the Mi Band 3 keeping tabs on your step count, distance moved, heart rate and calories burned. Beyond that, it includes local weather forecasts, can show up to 5 notifications, all which can be chosen via the Mi Fit app, and you can even track individual workouts. I'd have to say it's all pretty rudimentary, but very easy to navigate. Battery life is simply superb. You can get up to 20 days of battery life if you have the automatic heart rate monitoring set to 10 minutes. Since owning it, I've charged my model only once, and that was about a week ago, and it's still on over 70% battery life for what it's worth. So all in all, it's no way the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 the perfect fitness tracker. There are a few flaws and issues that might be deal breakers for some, but as an entry into smart wearables, this is a really excellent bit of kit for such a low entry price that I think it would be mad not to give it a go if you haven't done so already. I'll leave links to the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 in the video description, and if you did enjoy this, then leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. This has been Damien for 9to5Google saying thanks again for watching, and I'll speak to you later.